Seeking English S.A.T. Workbook, page 329, problem 1. A food safety inspector at a food processing facility treats 9 out of every 800 packages of granola. At this rate, how many packages of granola will be tested if the facility processes 2,400 packages? So there are various graphic ways to lay this out. For me, this is the most obvious way. It begins with the story 9 out of 800 and then the unknown out of 24,000 packages. Again, when you have fraction, and inequality, for me the easiest thing is to move this over here. 24,000 times 9, okay, divided by 800 equals x. And this is a calculator problem, so go ahead and hit it with your calculator. While you're doing that, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take out 2 zeros, okay? I'm going to take the 8 out of the 24, becomes 30 times 9 is 270 equals x. I think that's one of the answers. The answers are 180, 270, 800, 900. Okay, and that, as quick as that was, if you practice enough, you'll get a little sharper at this, and you'll see that these numbers, 8 and 24 and 9, interact in a way that suggests this. The 8 and the 9 don't really combine. The 9 and the 24 don't really combine. The 8 and the 24 do combine by some kind of a 3. Okay, so if you combine the 3 with the remaining odd number out 9, it's going to produce a 2 and a 7. Your numeral choices, aside from the 0, are 1, 8, 2, 7, 8, 0, and 9, 0. So that the 2, 7 jumps out to me. And hopefully by the time you take the test, the equivalent of the 2, 7, 0 will jump out at you on the real test. There's no real trick to this other than just doing these problems enough. So this is kind of an opportunity for me to mention that frequency beats duration. Trying to spend all Sunday preparing for the S.A.T. is a bad plan. It's much better to try to do some amount of work early in the morning and late at night and in the middle of the day. If you spread it out, that won't model your fatigue experience, but hopefully doing a simulation will model your fatigue experience. In the meantime, again, frequency beats duration. For the amount of time that you'll put in, you'll probably get better control of these problems if you hit them frequently, and that's the key to something like the 270 jumping out rather than having to be calculated. Okay.